Hello കൂട്ടുകാരെ. Today we visited Wathba Salt Lake, which is located in the desert outskirts of Abu Dhabi. It is one of the most photogenic natural wonders. The lake is famous for its crystal clear turquoise water and the unique, perfectly circular salt formations that look like floating stepping stones. It is created naturally over time by mineral-rich water. These bright white salts pads contrast beautifully with the deep blue sky and golden desert sand. Hello dear friends, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Luxcape. Our journey begins early in the morning from Sharjah, where we hit the road heading toward the outskirts of Abu Dhabi. As soon as you leave the Abu Dhabi city, you will notice how the tall buildings slowly fade away and the open desert begins to stretch endlessly on both sides. The highway we follow is in the E22 Abu Dhabi Aligned Road, a long, straight, beautifully maintained road that connects the capital to the inland regions. This is the main route most travelers use to reach Wathba. As you continue driving on E22, you will pass several signs pointing toward the Wathba area. The road is smooth with wide lanes and usually very calm compared to the busy city routes. Within 20 to 25 minutes of driving, you will start noticing sand dunes appearing closer and the air becoming quieter. This is when you will know you are getting close to the Salt Lake region. The next important step is taking the Wathba exit. Once you take the exit, the feel of the journey changes instantly. The wide highway narrows into internal roads leading deep into the desert. These roads are still paved, but you will notice far fewer vehicles, giving you that peaceful, isolated desert atmosphere. Follow your map towards Wathba Salt Lake and you will see the desert becoming more open and natural as you proceed. After a few more minutes of travel, the paved road ends and you enter the final stretch of the journey. This part is a sand track. Many small cars do manage this section if driven slowly, so be careful. But if you have an SUV or 4x4, it becomes much easier. The track is generally straight and not too rough, but you need to be attentive because there are no signs, no shops and no landmarks except the natural desert around you. A visit to Wathba Salt Lake offers plenty of opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Whether you are planning a family picnic, a serene solo escape, or a camping trip, this desert oasis is ideal. The unusual formations make for a fascinating exploration, and visitors often enjoy jumping across the lily pad-like salt structures. For an extended stay, consider Wathba Lake camping, where you can spend the night under a star-filled sky. However, ensure that you leave no trace behind and help preserve the lake's pristine beauty. The lake's beauty lies in its color. The water here is crystal clear with rich shades of turquoise, emerald, and sky blue all blending together. When the sun is high, the water looks bright and sparkling, almost like it has been lit up from underneath. When the sun is low during morning or sunset, the colors become even more magical, softer, peaceful, and more cinematic. But what truly makes Wathba Salt Lake special is the natural salt formations. The lake is lined with white salt pads that look like giant stepping stones floating on the water. These formations are created over time by mineral-rich water settling and solidifying, and each one has its own pattern and texture. They look almost unreal, like something from a fantasy world or a different planet. The contrast between the white salt, the blue water, and the golden desert around it is what gives this place its incredible beauty. You won't find a scene like this anywhere else in the UAE. It's a landscape that feels both peaceful and powerful at the same time. Untouched, quiet, and beautifully simple. As you walk around the lake, you will notice how calm the surroundings are. There is no noise, no shops, no buildings, no crowds. Just the sound of the wind gently moving across the desert. This silence adds to the beauty. It creates a sense of stillness that makes every reflection on the water clearer, every shade of color brighter, and every moment more memorable. The lake's surface often acts like a natural mirror. When the water is still, the sky reflects perfectly on it. If the day is clear, you will see the blue sky blending into the blue water, making it hard to tell where one ends and the other begins. During sunset, the water reflects gold, orange, and pink tones, turning the entire area into a breathtaking painting. Lake has undergone renovations, with the area being made more attractive with new features like sitting areas. While the renovation is complete, the location is not yet open to the public, but it is expected to open soon. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. See you next time.